Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you feel nervous when ordering food at a restaurant? Don't worry. In this video, I will help you learn simple English sentences to order food confidently. Let's get started. Getting a table. Table for two, please. Table for two, please. Do you have any seats available? Do you have any seats available? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Could we get a table for two? Could we get a table for two? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? Asking for menu. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Do you have a menu? Do you have a menu? Can you give us the menu? Can you give us the menu? Do you have a separate menu for drinks? Do you have a separate menu for drinks? Asking questions. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What is today's special? What is today's special? Is this spicy? Is this spicy? Is this suitable for vegetarians? Is this suitable for vegetarians? What ingredients are used in this dish? What ingredients are used in this dish? Ordering food and drinks. I would like one veg fried rice. I would like one veg fried rice. Can I get one coffee? Can I get one coffee? I'll go with the South Indian meals. I will go with the South Indian meals. Could I have a glass of water? Could I have a glass of water? I would like a fresh lime juice. I would like a fresh lime juice. Can you bring more water? Can you bring more water? Asking for extra items. Could you serve it hot? Could you serve it hot? Can we get an extra plate? Can we get an extra plate? Can you make it less spicy? Can you make it less spicy? Can I get this without onion? Can I get this without onions? Asking for the bill. Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? Do you accept UPI? Do you accept UPI? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.